Alright, this 162, number 8. This one's kind of a review one because it's not a rational expression, right? It doesn't involve like a bunch of fractions or whatever, like a normal rational expression. This is just a straight solve. Alright, and so one of the things I hope you get from this course is this is solving an x squared. And when it has both x squared and x in it, your methods to solve are the quad formula. You could use that on this question. Any x squared you can solve with quad formula. You could factor it, which is the method I'm actually going to use, which is good, but not everything factors. So this one I just happen to know does factor. And then you can always use that graph method. Remember that graph method is you just plot it and find where it crosses on the x-axis to get your answers. That's another good way to do this. All right, first thing is I'm going to do factor method here. So the first thing is look for a GCF, and there is a GCF of 2. So normally I would just pull that 2 to the front like this. So it looks like that. But realistically, since this is an equation, we can actually just divide everything by 2. And since this side is just 0 divided by 2, which is possible, right, you can do that. Then we're just left with kind of a simpler problem, right? And that's going to make it a lot easier to factor now that we don't have that 2x squared, right? Now that it's just a single x squared instead of 2x squared. When we factor, we know that our two little factors are going to just put x and x here, and then they get to multiply to negative 12 and add up to negative 4. So I think 2 and 6 will work as long as we use negative 6 and positive 2. All right, and then to get our answers, this times this is 0. So in order to make it 0, either the first little parenthesis would have to be 0 or the second one. So set them equal to 0, add 6 on this one, minus 2 on this one, and that gets us our two answers. All right, so now we've solved the equation. We got x equals 6, x equals negative 2. All right, hopefully that helps.